Hi, Shayla with WTI, and I want to share with you why these are my favorite pet training pads.
I really appreciate these Dogcator potty training pads because they are charcoal infused and they are very absorbent, but the size is perfect for our puppy pen where we have mama and babies right now. The 28 by 34 fits perfectly across the pen, so we don't have to worry about it coming up. Look how big that is. I love to know that they are this 6 layers of ultra absorbent material, but they do have that plastic back.
I love that I know these pads are so secure that I can even put them on my furniture, and if there is a potty accident or a spillage, they're definitely going to protect that.
Because of this plastic backing that they have, I love to know that whatever surface that I have them on is protected from any urine or anything else. You can see we poured water onto it and the plastic backing kept it not only from coming through, but there's absolutely nothing on my couch. So I am so happy with how ultra protective these are with those 6 layers. And they are a quick dry technology because any liquid that touches these does turn into a gel. As you can see, we have a little model puppy going potty for us, and it's just drying up so super fast.
So if you're like me and you're up to your eyeballs in puppies, or you just have any indoor potty needs for your pets, these Dogcator pet training pads are the ones you need, and that is my point of view.